Hi guys, me Maya, and I come back with another video. And guys, I went to Walmart. I just got back literally. So I have a bag and I bought one thing, and it's Playdoh. Yeah guys, so I got it because it's made from Crazy Art. It's made from Crazy Art, and I never seen a Playdoh from Crazy Art. It has different colors. I can see. I'll be taking them out and showing you each of them. It's a party pack. It's a party pack, and it says Softee though. I can't wait to feel it because it looks it's like the Softee dough. Like get an image of how soft it is. I have this little decoration like a present, some cookies. So I have like cake and a candy and a cupcake. Yeah. So let's get opening. Do we have any scissors here? Let's check. I got it, guys. Okay. Let's pour it out. They're rolling. I just know that when I pour them out, you see how small these are? They're so light, but they stack on each other. That's good. Do you see this? Do you see that? Oh, okay. Do you see this? Yeah. So I'm gonna show you each color. Guys, that's my dad and I'm playing checkers. You want really? Yeah. So this is the yellow one. Let's open it. It's so hard to open these little packs. Okay, if you hear this, my yeah, like I said, my dad and my brother, they're both crazy. You know how hard? Okay, when I get this open, I'm gonna unpause it. Okay, guys, so I got it open, and this is how it looks in the pack. So let's open. Let's get it out. Oh my goodness, guys, it's so soft though. Guys, look at this. It's so soft. I love how this is. Okay, I was actually looking for slime at the store, but I didn't have any borax. So like, and then I was looking for borax, but I couldn't find it because we go into like a Walmart, but you didn't even know where any of the stuff because that was a different Walmart. Because we usually don't go to that one, so I don't really know what that was. So I was looking, and I saw Playdoh, but they were like bigger than like this for 50 cents. But yeah, God, it's so soft. I love how this feels. Crazy. This is good stuff. Yeah, this is how the color is like a butter color, and it's like the color of like this of the containers. Yeah. So next we're gonna pull is this right one. Let's open it. Okay, I'm gonna unpause it when I open it. Okay guys, so I finally got it open. It's so hard. Oh, it's so pretty red. Guys, let's open it. Let's take it out. It's such a pretty red. That's my grandma yelling at my little brother because he needed he just said no. He's like, go get it. My grandma like, go get a pamper. He like no. He 1 year old, guys. But he really can't talk that much, but he does talk. Guys, look at this pretty color of the red. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna. So now I'm gonna put it back in there. So look at this pretty color, guys. It's super pretty. It looks kind of like a pink, but yeah, I'm gonna stuck them on the top. So guys, they actually stay like that. So I'm gonna pick. Guys, I'm gonna pick this blue one. Actually, I can open this one. like I finally opened it. You see guys, this is a dark, it's the dark blue. Oh my, is this for real guys? I just can't believe how this feels right now. I mean, it's breaking apart because it's so soft. I should make a side for videos play. Guys, today I did script reading, yeah. I was super nervous. But like last time I came out great. Guys, look at this blue. It's a pretty blue, but it's dark on screen, but it's not really this dark. You guys want to see it better? Try to move. Yeah, it looks like this top, just saying. But don't look like that because of how it looks. It looks a little darker than the top. But and guys, I was at a basketball game and ow, that hurt. That was so. I was at a basketball game and I made 15 shots because our whole team had 18, and I made 15 shots, and there was 18 total, but I made 15 of them. Yeah, you know I was in 2 rounds. Yeah, I made. Yeah, and the teacher like, you like played the whole game? I said like, yeah, of course I did. So, and the other team only had 8 points. Like seriously, because that means they only made 3. No, they only made. Wait. They made 4 shots because where's my mom? That's because just because you get 2 shots for each one. So yeah. Now I'm letting me open this dark purple. I'm gonna open this off one because this is hard. Okay guys, so I forgot, but I took it out already. Guys, this is actually kind of the hard one. I just don't, guys, I'm not a fan of purple. I am not a fan of purple. I'm sorry people that likes purple, but I am not a fan. I hate purple juice. I hate purple medicine. I am not a fan. But I hate that. But the only medicine I'll drink is the purple one, because that one tastes the best. Like everything purple tastes like medicine, but that's the best medicine. But it doesn't taste good, but it's the best medicine taste because it tastes better than all the other ones. So yeah, that's in the purple bag. So I need to get on with the video. So now I'm gonna be opening this violet, guys, and I like the color violet. Okay, I'm gonna open this off screen. So okay, guys, I didn't take it out. So this color actually looks different. Like, look, it's kind of different. It looks like somebody played with this and put it back in here. Like, seriously. This is much softer. Well, that's kind of fine. But this is like kind of a violet. This one was darker, but I think this is the same color. So they literally gave me the same color of clay. Like, who does that? Oh, I did this one. Yeah, I did the purple one. Clip it. I was like, I don't know if I did the green, but I don't think I did. So let me get on with this video. It's on tonight, and I don't want this to turn off. Or I have to make a part 2 of it. So next I'm going to be doing this pink one. And guys, pink is my favorite color, so I'm going to open this off screen. Okay guys, so I open it and it's how it looks. It looks like a glitter camera, but it's so, oh, it's so soft. Like, this is kind of like the second softest one. Guys, look how this color, this is how it looks. Nope, because it looks orange on the screen. It looks orange, but it's pink. This is not orange for real. It looks like this top. What? Why is this stuff coming out orange? Seriously. They're coming out different colors. I don't know why. But it's just pretty pink, guys. And guys, this was only $4.97, but with taxes it was $5.37. It's actually $5.50. So yeah. So now I'm gonna be opening this like green one. The little circle on here. So I'm opening this off camera. Okay, so I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So yeah, this is all the color looks, and this is how the top is. So yeah, guys, if you comment down below, I'll make shapes and make a on a Play-Doh challenge of making Play-Doh sculptures. Yeah. So if you're watching the video, comment. So next I'm going to be doing, I don't know which one, because these are both pretty. These are both my favorite colors that I picked for that. Let me do this. I like this orange. I'll open it off screen. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. And it actually looks this color. Guys, this is not that soft. I was surprised. It is not that soft. It's like so hard to get out this freaking tube. Got a nice fit. So yeah, not really that soft, but it is a pretty color, guys. So yeah, and it's so up. This is up to 11 minutes. So yeah, just play. They actually have mine that I baked in the oven. I do make stuff with it, but I'm just not gonna show you guys because I don't know. If you comment down below, I might do it just for you guys. So now is my last color, and it's this blue here. So let's open it. Not open it on camera. That's how it looks, and it's not. It got in my mouth. Oh god, that kind of knocked me off so easy, but look, it's still a little in there. Oh, this is hard. This is hard. But maybe if I keep playing it to get softer. Yeah, guys, so those are all those are all the 9 colors I got. So I guys hope you enjoyed my video, and if you guys want me to comment down below if you want to see me make something with this with all these colors, or if you want to see the stuff I make out of the stuff I made out of modern clay. Yeah. So bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, bye.